This is a true American story. Earlier this year, U.S. Department of Labor found 305 minors, including two 10-year-olds, were illegally employed by 3 Kentucky McDonald's franchise operators. They prepare food, clean stores, operate registers, sometimes till 2 a.m. Child labor has brought perennial problems to American society, and in recent years, things are getting worse. Statistics by U.S. Department of Labor shows between 2015 and 2022, the number of minors employed in violation of U.S. labor law increased by a whopping 283%. Unaccompanied migrant children are particularly vulnerable to child labor violations in the United States. Many of them are released to poorly vetted sponsors and work brutal jobs, becoming part of a dirty, exploitative business. These are the stories of children in the United States, the only UN member who hasn't ratified the Convention on the Rights of the Child. Where do they go from here? And who will write their fate?